welcome back to me, to myself. नायका हॉट पिंक सेल 17th of July नायका हॉट पिंक सेल लाइव होगा. ये एक बैग ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स जो नायका ने मुझे सेंड किया है. एंड आई डोंट नो, मैं ज्यादा मेकअप नहीं करती बट आई गॉट सो मेनी लिपस्टिक्स. इफ यू वांना नो विच शेड आई एम वेयरिंग, आई गेस फर्स्ट कमेंट में आपको मिल जाएगा लिंक. एंड these are all the things I bought with my own money. I don't know how much money I spent. So at first मैं start करती हूँ जो सारा products मैं अपने पैसों से खरीदी हूँ. Actually मैं इस वीडियो को बनाने के लिए सारा products बहुत जल्दी खरीद ली हूँ without the sale. This is a restock. This huge bottle got finished. मेरा whole family इसको use किया. पापा नहीं, because he is like Shalimar coconut oil and Margo soap person. Yes, he is. मैं इसको मेरे फर्स्ट हेयर वॉश में यूज करती हूँ. तो repurchase. This is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Serum in Lotion. This is almost got finished, so मैं इसको restock की हूँ. And this is a surprise because you know it has so many fragrances. जब मैं इसको लगाती हूँ ऐसा नहीं लगता है कि मैं स्किन पे कुछ भी लगाई हूँ. Another product, actually I got it for my mother. This is a sunscreen. I bought it for the body use purpose because मेरे मम्मी अभी अंडर कीमोथेरेपी है और उसके साथ मोनोक्लोनल एंटीबॉडी चल रहा है. Because of all this chemo, she is getting black spots and darkness. Asked the doctor in Chennai. They said let her use sunscreen every single day. Another repurchase. Oh my god, the mini one. Yes, I got the mini one. This is the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is a no nonsense cleanser which I have been using since my high school. Another restock. This is the Skin 1004. I don't know why I say it like Americans. This is the Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Hyaluronic Water Fit Sun Serum. This is probably my fifth or sixth repurchase actually. मेरे साथ क्या हुआ, मैं कोलकाता गई एक दिन. मुझे आजकल बहुत फ्रिक्वेंटली कोलकाता जाना पड़ता है. मैं इसको लगा के गई थी. I got very bad tan. Even though I barely was under heavy sun, I don't know for how much time. Next time what I did, I applied another sunscreen first and then I used it because I love the finish of it. My skin is very sensitive. I barely use makeup. So that's why this is the one that works for me as a replacement of makeup. That's why I love this. I hope you understood. Another repurchase is the L'Oreal Professional Pad. L'Oreal Professional Pad is okay. Cetioxyl Advance Hair Serum. This one. I loved it. It's alcohol heavy but this works. Like ये ऐसे काम करता है ना कि आपका कोई भी कुछ हेयर फॉलिकल्स, I mean hairs उस फॉलिकल से और ग्रो नहीं कर रहा है. This awake them like minoxidil. Is it a substitute of minoxidil? No. But if you don't want to use a minoxidil, then you might want to give this product a try. Next product is the Minimalist Multipeptide 10% Face Serum with 7% matrixin, oligopeptides and polypeptides. I used to use this serum in 2021 a lot. As मैं 30 हो गई, I am thinking of incorporating more, anti-aging, oil aging serums like peptides in my skincare routine. It actually works. This is fungal acne safe. Next product is the Minimalist SPF 30 lip balm. This is the one मैं lipstick के अंदर भी लगा पाती हूँ, so that's why I bought this one and so far it works. So that's why another repurchase. This is the Venusia Hydrating Cleanser Scented Bar. I used to use Dove Sensitive one, that bar soap, but अब मैं बहुत लंबा टाइम उसको यूज़ की, सो आई wanted to give it a little bit of change. So मैं इसका एक पैकेट खरीदी थी, अच्छा लगा, so दूसरा पैकेट भी खरीदी. Another repurchase, I don't know how many times I have repurchased this product. This is the Malik Bond Repair Complex 3.5% hair shampoo by Minimalist. Since 2024, I guess May or June, so for last 2 years this is a staple for me. अगर मुझे इसका कोई substitute मिला तो फिर मैं इसको जाने दूंगी, अदरवाइज इट गonna स्टे विथ मी. मिनिमलिस्ट लाइट फ्लूइड SPF 50 सनस्क्रीन. सो दिस इज द वन आई बॉट बिकॉज इसका 3 ना छोटा छोटा सैंपल मिला था मुझे फ्री में. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इसको यूज करके. पहले लगाती हूँ फिर इसको लगाती हूँ अगर मुझे बाहर जाना पड़ता है. सो बोथ ऑफ दीज वर्क्स really well together and मुझे ऐसा एक फिनिश देता है. like now I'm wearing both of these. Finally my hands are not fairer than my face. Yes, now you can assume it's a good product. The ingredients are mostly fungal acne safe. This is a fungal acne safe product and this is pretty cheap also. So I have been using this for like this month and yes, I like it. I really like it. So another repurchase after a so long time. This is the Bioderma Atoderm Intensive Balmy, as I'm using tretinoin 5 times a week and sometimes 6 or 7 days a week. So this is a savior for me because my other moisturizer is not enough, so I need this. I really wanted to try this viral toner. This is the Anua 70 plus rice and ceramide milky toner. This is fungal acne safe and I used it till now 3 times. This is so good. Another repurchase, this is the Venusia Cera Plus Hydrating Lotion. ये 100 ml का लोशन 300 रुपीज़ तो पड़ता है एंड मैं इसको रीस्टॉक की. इसमें ओट एक्सट्रैक्ट्स भी है, ओट ऑयल भी है. सो दिस एक्चुअली कम्स डाउन बिकॉज मेरे चेस्ट का जो स्किन है और नेक का जो स्किन है इज वेरी सेंसिटिव एंड वेरी ड्राई कंपेयर टू माई फेशियल स्किन. सो दैट्स वाई आई यूज इट ऑन माई नेक एंड दिस इज मोर देन हाफ emptied, so I got another one and this is very affordable, very cheap. Another product is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. So I love this product. मैं इसको recently खरीदी हूँ, 3 times यूज की हूँ, अभी भी यूज की हूँ and this is giving me the more natural look. मैं Maybelline की एक और भी मस्कारा खरीदी हूँ. आई एम शोइंग यू इन द स्क्रीन, मैं उसका नाम भूल गई. रिसेंट लॉन्च है, येलो कलर का पैकेजिंग है. मैं जब उसको लगाती थी मेरे लैशेस को ओ माई गॉड माई हिंदी, जब मैं इसको लगाती थी मेरे लैशेस ऐसा लगता था कि दिस इज टू फेक, which I don't want. So that's why I love this product. This is my 4th repurchase is the Torrident Solid in Lip Essence. इसको लगाएंगे, उसके ऊपर आपको लिपस्टिक लगाने में बहुत दिक्कत होगा. दिस इज एक्चुअली माई नाइट लिप बाम. जब भी मेरे लिप्स में कुछ जलन होता है, कुछ स्पाइसी फूड खाने से कुछ भी होता है, दिस इज माई सेवियर. Another lip balm is the Vaseline Lip Care Original. This is actually a product made in Korea. This product is so good. ऊपर आपको लिपस्टिक लगाने में बहुत आसानी है. बारिश स्टार्ट हो गया. This is from Wet Brush. This is their bold bristle brush. Way better than the Tangle Teaser, and even I have tried with the pricey one. The name was like Take a wooden brush. I bought it from like Canada. Yeah, I left it in Japan, but this is so good. Let me show you lipsticks that I bought. और जो सारा प्रोडक्ट्स मैं शो की हूँ ना, वो आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सारा लिंक मिल जाएगा. नायका का ही लिंक दे दूंगी मैं. Love it so much. I almost wear it every single day. This is the Roman, the Juicy Lusting Tint in the shade Nucademia. This is from Maybelline. This is in the shade Amazonian, 70 Amazonian. Such a pretty color. Look at the color. This is another my third repurchase since 2021. This is the Etude water tint in the shade Cherry a Day. I'm applying it on my cheeks also. I love it. This is I got for free. This is the Lakme. इसका shade है MM1 Mauve Matter. Finally, I got a lipstick that is pretty. Otherwise, जो मैं free में lipstick मिलता है, I don't know. I don't like the shades. Another lipstick from Swiss Beauty Pure Matte Lipstick. Okay, in the shade Hazelnut. I love it. Proper brown nude. This one with a little bit of a dark brown lip liner. They're gonna look so good with kurtis and all that, and this is so cheap also. And I bought this brown kajal from Hey Beauty. मैं इसको ना अपनी लिप्स को लाइन करने के लिए खरीदती हूँ. मुझे इसका स्वॉच करने में बहुत एक्साइटमेंट हो रहा है. Look at the color. Won't it these two look pretty together? Think and tell me. This is in the shade brown sugar. What I got for free? A minimalist tote bag. Carolina का दो मुझे परफ्यूम मिला, एक bad one. And there is the Good Girl. Rio का कुछ तो hair loss shampoo. ये Estee Lauder का serum का एक sachet, another sachet. Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream sachet. कुछ Estee Lauder का कुछ फाउंडेशन लॉन्च हुआ है, sachets, 3 sachets. CeraVe Moisturizing Cream sachet. Forest Essentials Stronger Hair sachet. अब अगर मैं इस बैग को खोलूं, ये मेरा कुछ 2-3 महीने से मेरा विश लिस्ट पे था. दिस इज द Anua 100+ PDRN Hyaluron Cream. I used it yesterday at night. This is so good. Definitely wanna repurchase. मैं उसको अभी भी लगाई हूँ. This is the one. Aqualogica Refresh Plus Salted Caramel Crush Body Perfume Mist. I'm not much of a body mist person. Actually, I'm not at all. Smell is so good. So refreshing. So refreshing. I'm gonna use this. This is good. And this is only $4.99 MRP. For this much bottle, it smells so good. So refreshing. So somebody probably अगर मैं खुद से खरीदती तो कभी नहीं खरीदती. Thank you Nykaa for letting me try this one. This is a good product. Okay, I haven't opened this at all. ये क्या है? Hula Hoop Foaming Detan Body Scrub. Oh my god, such a cute. But the packaging is super cute. Next thing I got is from Chemist at Play. Vitamin C and 5% AHA. Aqua Fragrance. मैं कभी अंडर रोल ऑन यूज तो नहीं करती अभी. फ्रेग्रेंस अच्छा है. अगर किसी को चाहिए मेरा कोई फ्रेंड्स को तो मैं ये दे देने वाली हूँ. Because I don't waste any product. That's my motto for 2026. Okay, I got a sunscreen from La Roche-Posay. I have had there another sunscreen. Invisible Fluid. Okay, I'm gonna try this one and obviously review dene wali hu. Another lipstick. L'Oreal Paris. Such a pretty color. I love these kind of colors. This is glossy even. Mamaearth. अब मेरा चैनल स्टार्ट होने के बाद से फॉलो करते हैं. आई हैव अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल रिलेशनशिप विद Mamaearth. Never buy their products. This is their Moisture Matte Long Stay Lipstick with avocado oil and vitamin E. Price is very cheap, $2.99. Oh my god. So this is probably gonna be the first Mamaearth product that I am going to finish. This is the nail polish from Hue. The color is peony. Very pretty. Next I got a kajal. Simply Numb, their ultimate kajal. Okay. So this is it. I'm gonna use it as my eyeshadow, I guess. Oh, smudger. K Beauty Hydra Cream Lipstick enriched with hyaluronic acid. This is their shade Panache. Look at the color. Lip and cheek tint from Earth Rhythm. This is in the shade Cherry. This is very bright red. I don't know how to use it. I'm not such a fan of this much bright red. Okay, this is the color. I don't think so. Okay, let me try it if I can try it in any other way, because I don't want to waste any product, or any of my friends wants it, I'm gonna give them. अगर आप में से कोई ये प्रोडक्ट यूज की हो ना तो मुझे नीचे कमेंट में बताना प्लीज. This is the lip lifter gel from Maybelline. So this is the color. Oh my god, such a beautiful color. I got one Nykaa Real Collagen Boosting Mask, overnight mask, one ELF eyeshadow. ये मैं अपने पैसों से कुछ टाइम पहले खरीदी थी. This is the one, and this is the one I got for free. The last thing I got, what is this? Can't be a necklace, can't be a bracelet. That's it for today's video, and see you guys in my next video. That's it. I love you all. Bye bye.